All right, so when you enter PZ Lab, you see this. The first thing I want to do, I want to change my background. So you click on this button here. You click on color. Click on color again. Change to red. Now, what we're actually using is dark red. So click on this plus sign. You see this middle place. Drag it to a darker red color. Alright? So click OK. This new text, I'm just going to click this button to delete it. The next thing I will do, the next thing I will do, I'll click on this middle icon here. I'll click on shape. Then with the help of this button, I will reduce the size of this shape. I'll reduce the size of the shape. Then I'll drag it to the. So the next thing I want to do, I want to bring in my images. So I'll click on the middle icon. I'll click on import. I'll go to my gallery. So I'll just pick my first picture. Press OK. So I'm just going to reduce this size and place it here like this. Alright, so next I'll click on import again, bring in the next picture, reduce the size, and place it close to the first one like this. The next thing I will do, I'll click on import again, bring in my next picture, press OK. Okay, lastly I'll bring in my last picture, click on it, press OK, reduce the size, and then I'll place it here like this. So the next thing I will do, I'll click on this A. I want to write text. I'll click on this A. I'll click on the plus sign, this text, click on it. Double click on this new text. I'll just write this A, then increase it and place it here like this. Then to change the font, I'll just scroll to the right, look for font, click on it. Then I'll just look for any good font to use. So let me pick this first one, TS. I'll click on this B to make it bold. Now the next thing I want to do, I'll click on this middle icon. I'll click on shape. Now with the help of this button, I'm going to reduce this shape into something very small, then place it at the bottom of TS. I'll press OK. Next, I'll scroll to the right, look for color, enable the color, press the plus button and pick orange color. Just tap the orange color. Alright, so the next thing I will do, I'll write a list of things this particular hair brand or business does. So I'll just click on the A sign, the A button, click on text, double click, start writing. Just, it's simple, just go to your symbols, look for this shape, this particular symbol, this dot, click on it, then write your stuff. Within dot revamping. All right, I'm done writing, so I'll just press OK, reduce it, and place it here. Now, watch the next thing I will do. The next thing I want to do, I'll scroll to the right. I will look for our line. I'll click on it, then click on this middle one. All right, so this is it. Now, the next thing I want to do, this is going to be very, very tricky. Now, I'll click on the A sign. I'll click on test. Now, when you click on test, just go to your symbol, look for slash. Right? Just keep on clicking on your slash. Alright, so now this is my slash. With the help of this button, I'm just going to turn it like this. Place one here. Click to back. Copy this slash. Take it to this place again. Click to back. So that's how I did that slash stuff. Alright, so the next thing, I'm going to bring in my social media icon. So I'm just going to click on the middle icon. I'll click on import. Alright, so I'm going to click on Instagram. So this is the Instagram icon I'm using. So I'm just going to reduce with the help of this big button here. I'm just going to reduce it to something small like this. Now, when you reduce stuff to something like this, excuse me, when you reduce stuff to something like this, you might not be able to move them. So what you just do is to look for position. With the help of this position, you can increase it and you'll be able to move your work. So I'm just going to place this here like this. Then I'll click on the A, click on test, right at T, okay, yes, then reduce. I'll just place it here. Then I'll go to bold and make this bold. So the next thing I'll do, I'll bring in my WhatsApp icon. So I'll just click on import. Bring in my WhatsApp icon. So I'll reduce it. Then I'll just take it here like this. Then I'll write my phone number. Now, after writing my phone number, I'm just going to place it here. Scroll to the right, look for bold, make it bold. So this is our final design. As you can see, it's actually very easy to make. So the next thing that I will do, I'll just click on this button here, click on save as image, and we are done.